Hello guys, welcome back to Cryptomato. Today we're going to review a token called Connector Coin. Please watch this video until the end for my full review of this specific token. The price right now of this token is 0.0029 US dollar. The token symbol is CTCO. Total supply is 1 billion. Market cap right now is 2,121,374. The liquidity pool funds right now is 138,145. As you can see here, this is the chart. It looks healthy because it has a good buying and selling transactions. It was sorted by 1 minute. Let's sort it by 1 day. And let's see when this token was launched. This token was launched last February 25th, 2022. It was a 3 days old token. As you can see, it's still very early. Here are the recent transactions for this token. There's a $5 buy, $885 buy, $331 buy, $145 buy, $44 sell, $23 buy, $23 sell, $12 sell, $726 buy, $7 buy, $12 buy, $2 buy, $73 buy, $147 buy, $110 buy, $149 buy, $9 buy, $40 buy, $1.52 sell, $184 buy, $310 sell, $1,181 sell, $782 sell, $735 sell, $7 buy, $130 sell. These are the recent transactions in the last 1 hour for this token. As you can see here, the scroll bar is slightly tiny because there's a lot of incoming transactions for this token. There's a slight momentum for this token, as you can see. Let's head over to bscscan.com/token/address. Here's the number of holders right now, 1,381. Let's refresh it. Now it's 1,386. Let's read the contract. Check the contract tab. As you can see here, the contract source code is verified. It has a green check mark in it. It means that the contract source code is unique. Let's check if the contract is locked. It's not showing up that the contract is locked. Let's read the contract. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Get owner wallet. It was owned by a private wallet. It means that they can do anything with the funds. The ownership has been unrenounced. It means that, if the ownership has been renounced, you can see here 0x0000 and so on and so forth. So it's not renounced. It is not in our favor because ownership renounced is much safer. Let's head over to Coinmarketcap Listing. Here's the token listing. As you can see, there's a warning. The smart contract for the following token contains variable tax rate function. This opens the opportunity for the contract owner to modify the contract behavior, change fees, or transfer tokens. Please exercise with extra caution if you are investing in this token. So there's a warning, so you need to be aware of that. Be extra cautious if you want to dive into this token. Let's head over to the official website. The official website looks very simple and professionally made. Look at the logo. It has a good looking logo. Let's check the about section. Here's the about section. Let's check the tokenomics. Here's the tokenomics. Let's check the roadmap. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. It was a professional looking website in my opinion, and it was a cool looking website, but their team is not officially doxed. There's no team behind this token in their website, so that's a minus points. Let's check their official Twitter account. They have 220 followers on Twitter, so that's a small amount of following. Their latest tweet is 15 minutes ago, so they're saying that the website is live, so that's good. They have a video here showing. They exerted an effort just to make this video. Scroll down, scroll down. What else we can get? Let's check their official Telegram group. Let's check their official Telegram group. Connector Coin official. They have 2,206 members on the Telegram group. Let's check if the Telegram group is legit or without bots. I think there's user interaction somehow in this Telegram group, but most of the time they're just sharing stickers in the Telegram group and not just real users. So they're just the bots are just sharing stickers, and some users are just sharing their emojis here. So that's not a good sign. Let's check their official announcements here. Scroll up, scroll up. They are top 10 on DEX, so that's a good sign. Coinmarketcap Listing is happening right now. CoinGecko Listing is also happening right now. This is the link for CoinGecko Listing. There's a tweet for this token. Scroll up, 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 scroll up. Scroll up. There's a Facebook post about the coin. Scroll up, scroll up. We are listed on Flues, so that's a good sign. They're also listed on coinsniper.net. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Let's see if there's an AMA or giveaways. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. If there's an AMA and giveaway, so that's a good sign. But there's none, so skip this one for now. This Telegram group was created last February 21st, 2022. Let's check now how much token we can get for 1 BNB. Click this little arrow, paste the contract address, import, understand, import. Let's put 1 here so you can get 124,564 CTCO for 1 BNB, so that's a good amount of bag. Let's check their scanner. Scanning the token. Still scanning. Scanning. Hope this will end soon. Still scanning. I think we're unable to scan this token. That's fine. I think that's all about my review for this specific token. I would rate this token as 7 out of 10 confidence for investing because of many factors that I'm considering. The team is not officially doxed. They have a professional looking website as a plus point. The Telegram group has bots, so that's a minus point, and so on and so forth. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to learn about shitcoin investing, please download my ebook. I'll put the link in the description below. That's totally free. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your friends, and smash that subscribe button. Have a nice day, guys. Cheers. Bye.